We have a lot of basil to repot, to transplant. All of the basil actually that we started, and the Tradescantia. La albahaca y la Tradescantia está lista toda para ser trasplantada. These cuttings are ready to go also. Estos estacas ya están enraizadas porque empezaron al mismo tiempo, because they started at the same time as those. And also the basil here. Las plantas de albahaca acá arriba también están con raíces. So we're also gonna transplant those. Vamos a trasplantar esos también. And these are the mama plants. Estas son las plantas madre. So we're gonna get to it now. Vamos a hacerlo ahora. Listo. So we're gonna try to do this fast. We're using potting mix soil. Yeah, and we're gonna count. Vamos a contar. So we have 4, 8, and 10. We have 10 pots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. The dirt here. Pretty good dirt, very fluffy, muffly. Está muy buena esa tierra. Basically we just add in dirt like this. I think it took like 2 weeks for the cuttings to root. Unas 2 semanas más o menos le tomó a las plantitas para sacar raíz. Más o menos, approx, I'm saying, ¿eh? Tradescantia. This plant I'm not worried at all because it's like it grows very well anywhere, even in just even if you have it just in water. Si lo tienes en pura agua también, que es muy bien. I'm actually gonna go get a little bit of water. Voy a buscar agua. Yep. Look at all the roots, ¿eh? Todas las raícitas que tienen esta. So I'm still thinking if I'm gonna sell this for giveaway or accept tips or donations. Donación quizá. It's the first time I do this, so es la primera vez que hago esto. How to price them? Like I've seen them for $3, $1. So I'm not sure. It depends if they want them right away or in a couple of weeks when they have more leaves. So we'll see what happens. And now I just still have to transplant the ones that I have on the aero garden. I think they probably have a little bit more roots. Creo que tienen más raíces esta, because they were in circulating water, estaban en agua circulando, así que there you go. Now I know. Aero garden works better. Okay, I'm gonna continue doing it. Voy a tener de hacer esto y then I'll probably move them all outside. Y después lo voy a trasplantar, pasar todas afuera. See you later. Go.